Welcome. I'm happy to see you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified with my latest video. I have a question before we start. Are you looking for a reliable and efficient learning system? Today, I'm going to teach you a learning management system that you can use for your online class, especially for your synchronous and asynchronous type of delivery modality. Have you heard about EasyClass.com? EasyClass is a non-profit organization offering free learning management system or LMS that allows educators to create digital classes whereby they can store the course materials online, manage class discussions, give assignments, quizzes, and exams, monitor due dates, grade results, provide students with feedback, all in one place. Yes, it's correct. All in one place. Our tools provide unique opportunities for the instructors to engage students in various activities and offer a new dimension for interaction and efficient learning. Some features of EasyClass.com are not found in any learning management system, like Google Classroom, Edmodo, Blackboard, and etc. That's why I like this learning management system and I try it several times. EasyClass can deliver synchronous and scheduled assessment, plus auto-checking of paper, scoring system, and many other features that really helpful for teachers facilitating exams. You can also post discussions for your synchronous topic or lesson, an assignment with your deadliest deadline, and visit each student work and check them in the portal and give their grades. So let us have a walkthrough of EasyClass.com. I will teach you how to register, what are the different features of EasyClass, how to organize your class, how to post on class wall, how to set assignment and grade them, how to make quiz or exam. Then this part, I will discuss it in detail in part 2 of this EasyClass tutorial series. That's why you have to finish part 1 so that you may understand part 2. So you just type www.easyclass.com. So this is the easyclass.com portal. Your class is only a click away. So you sign up first as a teacher or instructor. This portion is for your student. So later on, I will tell you how to share your access code. So you're going to generate an access code for your students to join your class. So once you sign up, you sign in. I already have my account, so I will just sign in. Welcome to my account in easyclass.com. So here are the other features of EasyClass. So you have your courses, groups, my files, and inbox. So profile, connections, calendar, then invite instructors, so you can invite other teachers also to join. Then here are the courses I made. So this is only for General Chemistry 2. I got 3 classes. Then I made the group also for General Chemistry 2. So this is to combine all the students in one group so that announcement, postings will be in one. So courses. So how to make or organize my class. So you can create courses here. So create course. Then for the students, join a course. Then for the teacher, you can add a class, then edit a course. So if happen you made a mistake in making a class, so you can edit, class, edit members, add members, then delete class. So this is the function of that button. So let's walk through with my class, 12 Euclid. So in this class, I post an announcement last Friday for a quiz. So later, we will check the quiz. Then, I welcome them also. So let's check the class discussion. So this is my class discussion last time. DepEd Distance Learning. So they can participate with the class discussion. There. So please answer this question. What is your opinion about DepEd's readiness to distance learning? So I can approve that. Then the student's account, it will be reflected to them. Then yes. There. Approve. Approve. For posting. So these are the responses of my students in the discussion. Then for the assignment, there, I gave them an assignment. So you can create assignment then in your given course. So let's check the assignment in chemistry 2. So I have a due date today at 12. So answer the following. What is bonding? Differentiate intermolecular forces of attraction to intramolecular forces of attraction. What are the different types of infra? So I need to approve that. Yes. Okay. So as you can see, 34 out of 34. So this one, I already graded. So this one needs grading. So I will just click her homework. There. So I will check against my questions and her answer. So I can give her a grade. For example, she got 98. Save. And that one will reflect on her account. There. 98 over 100. Alia I. Taniedo. Okay. Looks good. So you can also write a comment if something missing or lacking in her exam. So for example, I will give her 98 as well. Save. Okay. So as you can see, this red color needs grading. So they submitted but no grade yet. This one, Brighton Trinidad, not received yet. So they did not turn in their homework. Quizzes. So I made the quiz last time and scheduled it last Friday, 12 noon. So I need to check the result. There. This is the question I made last time. So I made true or false and multiple choice. So I will explain this part further later in part 2 of my EasyClass.com series. So let's check the result. There. For example, this paper, Sandria Gambala, 13 out of 20. So you can view her assessment. So how she performs in the last quiz. There. So no points, meaning wrong answer. So got the correct answer, got the correct answer. Number 4, got the correct. 5, 6, then 7, wrong answer. Okay, so I can return to class result. So as you can see, you can view the performance of the student. Then gradebook. So you can have your own gradebook per class. So let's wait a little bit. Updating the gradebook. Okay, so here's the gradebook. So as you can see, they don't have grades because they're homework or assignment. So you can edit that one plus the weight. So this is their quiz last Friday. So these are the scores. So you can also edit the weight. So this is their final grade or maximum points. There. So you can have your average here, score, the performance of the whole class, and also their grade, the performance of the whole class. We are now in the class wall of 12 Euclid. So you can write an update here, then you can post an announcement. So you can upload that one. You can put also a link if you want, then post it. That is for the announcement. Then for the discussion, so you can create a new discussion. There. Type the title, then the description. Then related class. So which class will receive that one? So then you can upload the file, then save the discussion. Then for the assignment, so you can create assignment. So assignment name, description, then assignment return, you check that one. Ungraded, don't check that one. Maximum points, you can assign a point. Then due date. So if you set a date, for example, you made the assignment today, September 20, due date will be September 23. So you put the date there, then the time. So after that time, they cannot send the assignment anymore. For the quiz, so you can create a quiz. So name, do not click that one because you're going to grade it. Then due date, when is the quiz, then the time. Enable comments, yes, so that you can have a comment, then save that one. So later on, I will teach you how to create a quiz. So EasyClass.com is very efficient, and I personally tell you that EasyClass.com can be used in your synchronous and asynchronous online class. So it's an option for you. Aside from Google Classroom, you can have EasyClass. So it's very efficient, very convenient on my part to do or to use EasyClass.com. So as of now, I made positive feedback with my students, and they are very excited participating in EasyClass.com. By the way, You can have also your class library. There. So you can share from your files, upload. So these are the different types of files you can upload. So you can share this one to your students as their library. So we go back to the class wall. By the way, so if you made a course and there, okay, this is their access code. So this is the one being shared with the student for them to join a particular class. So access code is very important once you created their course and class. So you need to share this access code to your particular or specific student. Okay, so I will wait you for the part 2 of EasyClass.com series to explain to you how to make quiz, grade them, set a date, and some parameters in making assessment or exam. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.